TMT Cobble1000 garage door motor setup. To use on 5 to 6 double garage door, first of all let's do the force setting and do the system learning and remote learning. Start, we press the set button, set and hold for 3 seconds. Start from the parameter 1 and press up, bring to C function. Press set, bring the force up to C6, press set again. Change the setting to function E, press set again. Bring the force up to E6 as well, press set. Now the setting is complete. Wait a minute for the display to be finished, and then we can do the system learning. Now press set, RF and set button together for 3 seconds. Now OL is the open limit. Press up to bring the door up to the open position. Okay, now the door is opened to the open limit. Press set. Now is the closed limit position. Bring the door down. Okay, now is the closed position. Press set again. One shows the GE. Press set again. And the motor will do the learning by itself and will bring the doors up to the open position you set, and then you will automatically goes down to do the closed position as well. During this period, do not interrupt. The motor will finish it by itself. Now the closed limit is finished. Okay, now the motor is ready. Let's learn the remote. Press the RF button for 3 seconds. When you show CS, press the first button on your remote. It should flash 3 times and the remote is learned. If you have more than 1 remote, just keep pushing it and the flash, it means the learn complete. Now the remote can operate the motor now. Open, stop and close. If when you do the system remote learning, the CS is not flashing, and also if you want to delete the memory of the remotes, press RF and hold. After the CS and keep holding until the display code CC. Now the memory is gone. Okay. When do the learning, press RF again for 3 seconds. CS. Press the remote, flash, and done. This is demonstration of TMT Cobble1000 garage door motor, which you enjoy the technology.